In growth strategy, third is diversification. Diversification strategy is further divided into three types, that are concentric diversification, conglomerate diversification, and horizontal diversification. Let us know about the concentric diversification. Adding new but related products or services is known as concentric diversification. It can be market-related concentric diversification, technology-related concentric diversification, and market and technology-related concentric diversification. The example for market-related concentric diversification is using common channels. We can give the example for technology-related concentric diversification, that is, bank is also selling mutual fund policies. For market and technology-related concentric diversification, the best example is Amul company is selling butter, curd, Shrikand and buttermilk along with milk. Second, conglomerate or unrelated diversification. If a firm takes up business not related to an existing one, neither in terms of customer group, customer function, nor alternative technologies, it is known as conglomerate diversification. Example, Tata Sun is conglomerate as it is unrelated business: steel, power, chemicals, hospitality, education, publishing, beverages, etc. Third is horizontal diversification. It means adding new products or services for present customer. Escort Fortis Hospital may offer bank, bookstores, coffee shop, restaurant, drugstore in their compound for the visitors to the hospital. Next type of growth strategy is internationalization. Internationalization means marketing products or services beyond national markets. For example, KFC, McDonald's, Domino's, etc. Fifth one is cooperation. Cooperation means cooperation among competitors. It may take the form of mergers and acquisitions, like Tata Motors acquired Jaguar Land Rover facilities of UK. Joint ventures like Indian Oil Company floated an oil marketing company in Sri Lanka in collaboration with a local company. And strategic alliances. The two cooperating firms remain independent but cooperate for synergy. Sixth is digitalization. It includes computerization, electronization, and digitalization. That means conversion of analog electric signals into digital signals. For example, A&M Education LMS and Byju's, etc. In grand strategy, second is stability strategy. When the firm wants to go for incremental improvement of its performance, it is known as stability strategy. Basic approach in the stability strategy is maintain present course, steady as it goes. It can be no change strategy. Taking no decision is decision 2. For example, Steel Authority of India adopted stability strategy. Next strategy is retrenchment strategy. Retrenchment is followed by the business organizations to reduce the scope of business activity substantially. This strategy is followed to find out the problem areas and diagnose the cause of the problem. Next steps are taken to solve the problem. These steps include different types of retrenchment strategies. First is turnaround strategy. If organization chooses to follow on ways and means to reverse the process of decline, this strategy will be followed by the organizations. Second, divestment strategy. If the organization wants to cut off the loss-making units, divisions, product line, it can adopt the divestment strategy. Third, liquidation strategy. If none of the above strategies works, company is going for liquidation. That means closing down the business activities. Next strategy is combination strategy. Depending on the requirement of the business organization, the company can adopt the mix of the above strategies.